from Amazon. Again, a work from home job from Amazon. Very recently, we have posted a video on Amazon work from home job updates. Many people has applied, many people has completed assessments, are waiting for results. Here again, if you have missed out that opportunity, this is another opportunity for you. Again, a work from home job itself. So nowadays, because of this COVID pandemic situations, most of the companies has made a lot of posts as work from home. Later on, after the COVID, you may have to go to the office or you may have to relocate to that location. But now, as of now, you can work from your home itself. Okay. So here in this video, we are going to see a job update from Amazon. That is a work from home job update from Amazon. If you are seeing the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel. Also follow us on our Instagram page. So let us first see the job description, then we'll see the application form. Okay. So job description, the post name is TSROC Hyderabad. That is Trans Operations Specialist at ROC. ROC is Relay Operations Center. Okay. Now what you will be doing is you will facilitate flow of information between different stakeholders and resolve any potential issues that impact customer experience and business continuity. So this is the job description. Also, the roles and responsibilities very clearly they have given. So let us move on to that area. So your job is communication with external customers, internal customers, then ability to pull data from numerous databases and perform ad hoc reporting and analysis as needed is a plus. Then develop and understand performance metrics, ability to scope out business, understand the business impact of the trends and make decisions, work within various time constraints, excellent communication, both verbal and written skills, that must be able and willing to handle calls from customers. So you will be again dealing with internal customers and external customers, pulling of data and database management analysis. All these will be the nature of job. So they are asking SQL knowledge also, not as experience, but if you have some knowledge, then that is a benefit. Let us move on to the qualifications they're asking. Basic qualifications is bachelor degree and above. So any graduate can apply. 0 to 48 months of work experience. 0 to. So freshers can also apply. Good communication skills. Then proficiency in advanced Excel. Then ability to handle and interpret large set of data. Demonstrated ability to work in a team in a very dynamic environment. Okay. Preferred qualifications, master degree in operations or in related field, bachelor degree in engineering, supply chain, computer science with an excellent academic score. So that is a preferred location, but the preferred qualification. So this is the preferred qualification, but the basic qualification is any bachelor degree. Okay. So we have seen the qualifications and we have seen the work. There is a job role. Okay. Now the shifts is rotational and weekly off of rotational 2 days off you will be getting. Okay. Now let us see the application form. You will get more clarity. So job role, it has already been selected. You just have to fill up the other details. Source details you have to fill. Personal details you have to fill. Full name, email ID, mobile number, alternate mobile number, date of birth, gender, citizenship, address details. These are the personal details you have to fill up. Okay. Highest educational profile, highest degree you have to select here. Then year of passing, education type, means whether it is engineering or arts or commerce. I think here engineering graduates will get a preference. Okay. Then experience details, you have to fill up this. Okay. Then are you currently working? Yeah. Next field is are you currently working, notice period, current employer, current month salary. Then other details, are you willing to work overtime? Are you willing to work on rotational shifts? Are you willing to relocate to the location mentioned in the respective job description? Okay. So here you have to select yes. Only then you will be getting selected, I think. Okay, because as I said, as of now it may be work from home job, but later on there are chances for you to go to the office and you have to work there. Okay. Then do you have a PAN card, Aadhaar card? Then are you willing to be in the job with interacting with the customers over telephone or email. Then have you ever employed at Amazon? Are you currently working with Amazon? Then documents, you have to upload your photo and your resume. Okay, so these things you have to fill up. See, these are the details. There is a basic details you have to fill up. Okay, so these are the fields that you have to fill up. You have to upload your resume and you have to upload your photo also, and then you have to submit. Okay, now some people may ask me that where it has written that it is a work from home job. So we'll go back to the description. It is clearly written here. See, in the roles and responsibilities, provide real-time experience by working in 24/7 environment, must be able and willing to support work from home with rotational shifts and weekly offs. So here it is, as I've told you, it is work from home currently, but in future you may have to relocate. Okay, now here you can see that, see, are you willing to relocate to the location mentioned? And in the description of that field, they have given that you have to go to the location for the that is, you have to go to the home location. Home location means it is Hyderabad here. Okay, so you have to go there for your future, for continuing with the job in the future. Okay, but now, as of now, due to this COVID situation, due to this COVID pandemic, you will have to work from the home itself. Okay, so I think I have given justice to the work from home title. Okay, now, so that's all about the job update from Amazon. Now, talking about the selection process, there will be 3 stages of selection. There will be initial online examination, aptitude, reasoning, basic logical questions, analytical reasoning, verbal reasonings, all these things will be there. Then there will be group discussion sometime. Sometimes it won't be present. Then there will be HR interview and technical interview will be there. In technical interview, you can actually face questions from database management, all these areas. Mainly they'll be focusing. Then also they will be analyzing your communication skills. That they will be giving you a question like write an email to so and so person. So email writing. Then also there will be questions connected with jumbled words. You have to arrange the jumbled words in the correct order to form a sentence. These type of questions you can expect. Okay. Then there will be HR interview. In the HR interview, you will get to know about the salary. Anyway, the salary will be more than 20,000 only, but you will get to have a very good clarity about that salary in the HR round, because I won't say anything without proper information, because they have not given any proper information clearly in this notification. If you talk about the government updates, government job updates, they will write the salary clearly. Everything they will be writing in the notification. But in the private job updates, you cannot find that, because you cannot really expect them to write the salary in the notification. And also another thing most people are asking is the last date. The last date to apply for the private jobs and MNC jobs, they won't write in the notification. So what you have to do is, when you're seeing the video, you have to apply at that time itself. Okay, so that is the answer for the salary and the last day to apply. So here they have not given any age limit or any year of pass out. So a lot of people are eligible here. You should have just any graduation. Okay, so that is a primary qualification, but if you have masters, then that is a preferred qualification. Okay, so that's all about the job update from Amazon. The application form we have seen, everything we have seen. So if you found the video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Support the growth of the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah.